Do you feel like we're being watched? She had somebody back foot there. It's like it.
Oh my god.
No.
Get cuter, we dare you.
Shit, the Cadbury egg.
Well, we just realized we have the cutest bunny ever. Oh, I get it. I need more face washing, Daisy.
Well, what is she getting now?
Don't say it. Oh, hi, baby.
Hey.
Hi, clean girlie.
What up, Day-to-Do? What's that nose moving around?
Where are your ears?
Oh. Mecca like a hi. I don't know if you got your burqa, Daisy.
Well. Oh, now we're gonna get disciplined.
Got no hiding space until we start eating stuff.
Daisy? Do we eat those?
It puts the lotion on its skin, or else it gets the hose again.
Good girl. She's very offended.
Okay, do you want to sign off?
Bye, Daddy Doo.
Bye-bye, Daddy Doo. We love you.
And your